I'm Kevin Scrivener with SalmonSafe, pleased to be out here with support from an EPA grant. We're at the Woodward Canyon Winery Vineyard, an early adopter of SalmonSafe. So Sager, you're managing this property now. What do you say?
All right. I guess I should start with our relationship beginning about 15 years ago with SalmonSafe. This whole thing was engaged by my father with the intent of really just practicing good stewardship of the land and leaving it better than you found it. So for us, that's, minimizing our drift, minimizing runoff, because we are quite close to the Walla Walla River out here, even though it is quite dry. For us, this is pretty personal. We come from 4 generations on this land. We want to make sure it's still fruitful for generations to come. And that's really the focus of our relationship with SalmonSafe.